Hello friends, today we're going to draw Doraemon.
Doraemon travels back in time from the 22nd century.
His mysterious 4D pocket has everything.
Whenever Nobita is in trouble, Doraemon has a way to fix it.
I wish I had a friend who could help me in my difficult times, especially when I do my homework. Now we've done drawing his eyes and nose. Now let's draw his mouth. Doraemon is actually a robotic cat, so we need to draw whiskers. But he doesn't have ears. Luckily, he doesn't have to catch mouse. In fact, the animal he fears most is mouse, just like my dad. Let's draw a big curve for his big smile. Do you know what his favorite food is?
I guess sushi.
No.
Doraemon's favorite food is Doriyaki, which is a type of sweet pancake filled with red bean paste.
Sounds yummy. Let's complete his cheek. Connect the cheeks to his eyes to complete the face. Have you ever seen a blue cat? There's a cat breed called the Russian Blue. They have a striking blue-gray coat and vivid green eyes. Russian blue cats are super smart. They are very playful. They also enjoy cuddling up with their favorite human friends. I like Russian blue. Let's draw his body. The drawing of Doraemon is comparatively easy because his hand and feet are simplified. We don't need to draw toes or fingers. Now let's draw the bow on his chest. Cats wear bows to let people and animals know when they're nearby. It helps keep birds and small animals safe. That's because cats can move very quietly.
Cats can move quietly due to their unique anatomy and physiology. They have soft pads on their paws which muffle the sound of their footsteps. Additionally, their retractable claws allow them to walk more silently by keeping their claws from clicking against hard surfaces.
Now let's draw his 4D pocket. The pocket looks simple, but it's magical. He can pull out so many futuristic gadgets. Some famous ones include Anywhere Door for instant transportation. Every summer, my family has to travel 16 hours to the other continent to see my grandparents. If I had an Anywhere Door, I open it and I see them immediately. How cool is that? Doraemon has also a Take-copter for flying and a time machine. Now we've done drawing Doraemon. Let's color it in. If I had a time machine, I would like to go to ancient Egypt to see how they built the pyramids. I would also like to go to China to see how they built the Great Wall. Finally, I would like to go to the end of this year to see what will be on the final exams. If you had a time machine, what moment would you want to go? Alright, we've done drawing our Doraemon. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!